Hello guys, today we're gonna be trading the US100 chart. Let's delete it first. First, let's see what the daily chart is doing. So we're gonna hop onto the daily time frame. Here, as you can see, let's zoom out a little bit. I think the daily time frame is kind of bullish. I think this will be our targets, the previous day high here. As you can see, a very long, thick bullish candle. There is also new news here. There's gonna be news on Wednesday. Core inflation rate. Let's drop down to the 4 hours. The 4 hours seems to be pumping up. It's a little bullish. It's gonna end in exactly 14 minutes. I would say if you're looking for buy sides, these will be our targets at 21,837. For sell side, this 21,686. There's also an FVG here and here as well. This is the 4 hours time frame. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. As you can see in the 1 hour, price has taken the sell side liquidity over here. There's a very big chance it's gonna go up at 21,794. Let's see how does this 1 hour candle close. If it closes bearish, like for example here, then it can also be a big chance it goes here, where all the sell side liquidity is resting at 21,687, which is our 4 hour target. Now then again, let's drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. The opening was very volatile, as you can see here at 9:30. There is the 15-minute candle. It is like 600 ticks. The candle went all the way down here, cleared all this sell side liquidity, and then came back up. I think the next candle will determine what our bias is. So we're gonna wait. Trading is mostly a waiting game, as I said earlier. As you can see here, there are equal highs here, which means there's resting liquidity above that. That could easily be our target. We just have to wait and see how these candles close. Let's drop down to the 1 minute again. The 1 minute seems to be pumping. As you can see in the 1 minute, this is a local liquidity. All these equal highs, liquidity is gonna be resting above that. If you don't understand this concept, you can DM me for one-on-one coaching. Also comment here if you have any tips for me. Wanna learn something? The 1 minute looks good. This candle is the 9:30 opening. As you can see, it went a little and then came down and crashed all this while taking all this sell side liquidity, and then it's pumping again. Just have to wait for it. I think I'll wait for the 1 hour and 4 hour close that will happen in 10 minutes. This is the New York session. I want to trade the New York AM session. So I'm gonna wait for it. So then I'm gonna target above liquidity like this and this as we saw in the 1 hour and 15 minutes. Here is a lot of liquidities at 796. It could happen that it goes there without me, but it's better if we wait for it. As you can see, it has already swept this high, but it's gonna go dig up there again. So I'm gonna just wait till I find a good trade. This is the paper trading account of TradingView. Started this account from 100K. As you can see, we are plus $1,100 in the last week. I posted last week's videos on YouTube channel. You can check them out if you like. All these trades are original. I can't change anything here. As you can see, this is a trading platform. I only trade through means of paper trading account. I don't show my real account to people for personal reasons, private reasons. As you can see, it's taking up here. Cleared all this. Probably will go to 793. We're just gonna have to wait a little. Let's see if we can find a trade today. It's not necessary that we find a trade every day, and that's what trading is about. You just have to wait for the perfect setup. If you can't find a good setup, it's simple. Don't trade. Every day where you don't lose money, consider that a winning day. So we're just gonna wait. It has taken, we didn't really find a good entry here. Its next target would be this. It's 794. Now let's see. Price is coming down here again. We're gonna wait for it. It could happen that we find a sell after 10 and price has cleared all this liquidity here. Let's see how does this 1 hour and this 4 hour candle close. So you can have a good bias. Honestly, the daily candle looks bearish. As you can see, the daily candle Clearly looks like it's gonna go up here. Oh, I forgot to mark the new week opening app. Let me just mark it. I'll use an horizontal array. The close of this candle is at 21773. I'll just eyeball it. Let's put the text at 6 June. Oh, my mistake. I'll put this is the closing candle of Friday, 6 June. I'm gonna mark it. This is the opening candle of Monday, but basically it opens on Sunday. So we're gonna take the opening price of this candle. As you can see here, OHLC, the opening price of this candle is 21787. So we're gonna eyeball it again. I'm gonna make it 8 June because actually the candle opens at Sunday. If you go look at it, we're gonna drop down again. Get into the 1 minute time frame. These blue lines are the previous day high, the high of the last candle or the high of the Friday, you can say. And this is previous day low, the low of Friday. This candle, we're gonna use it for liquidity targets. Now we're just gonna wait for it. Let's drop down. The candle is about to close. As you can see here, it's 9:58. Only around 2 minutes left. 1 minute 30 seconds. 1 minute. Let's wait and see how does this candle close. I'm just waiting for the 1 hour and 4 candle close to determine our bias. I generally look at price action to see where the next candle is going to close. This is the 1 hour time frame, only 40 seconds left. We're just gonna wait for it. Is my voice clear? Somebody, there's one person watching. Can you comment? Can you hear my voice clearly? As you can see, the 1 hour candle has closed. It did close. Honestly, that looks like a kind of a bullish close to me. It took all the sell celebrity here and then came up. It's probably next target will be this 21794. Gonna drop down again. Sorry, first let's check the 4 hours. This FEG has been closed, this bearish FEG. If you don't know what an FEG is, you can watch my previous videos or comment DM. I'll probably put a video up. Let's check the 15 minutes. Yes, everything looks good. Let's go back on the 1 minute again. Now I'm gonna wait till I find a good trade. I normally like to take only 300 ticks worth of risk, a little above that. I only risk only 1% of my account, or below 1%, you can say. Let me put my laptop to charging. This battery is about to die out. Price is honestly not that volatile. It's giving very short moves. If price wants to go down, I would probably like to see it first take this liquidity over here. This is just a local liquidity. Look at that. These are just almost equal bullish highs, so it's very likely price is going to take them. I'm gonna, I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift with an FEG. That is my trading strategy. That is my setup. Just have to wait for it. Wait for the price. Let's see if you can find a trade today. To be honest, I don't think it's likely. Price seems to be a little dull. And the target is just right here. That's very little for me to take a trade. I need a target at least 400 ticks away. Let's wait for it. If price breaks up here with strong bullish candles and strong, what you say, determination, then we can aim for here the previous day high at 21,840. You just have to wait for it. Price is kind of dull. It's not giving very big moves. Like if you scale this area, it's only what 300 ticks. It's just evolving in there. Price action is boring to be honest. Give me something, man. Give me something. But there's a lot of time left. I'm just getting hasty, I think. I want price to break this high with strong bullish candles, thick bullish candles, and stay there. As you can see, this high, this high. These red lines are is the new week opening gap, the gap from the Friday of last week and the Monday of today. Now it's just wait. Okay, that's good. But let's see how does the candle close. If it closes kind of bullish, then we can aim for here at 21,840. It has taken all this liquidity now. Now I'm just gonna wait. Now let's see if it makes an FEG. It has, I think it has made an FEG here. You can see a little, but I want it to also make an FEG here. I'll wait for it. Let's get our trade ready. I'm gonna look for myself over here. That is good. I'm currently trading on a 100K paper trading account. I only show my results through the means of paper trading. I do have a live account. The price has made an effigy. Will it tap it a little? I think so. I wanna buy around 800, so then I can put this as my target to 400 ticks. So I'm gonna wait for it, for the price to give me a good trade. Okay, I'm gonna buy now. The margins are very bad. Should have. Now let me put my SL over here. It's a little bit above 300 ticks. I'll target the last strip of its head over here, above $1,000. The position is good. Let's see. Seems to be going in our favor, but who knows? I have a trade turned back even from the edge of my TP. Trading is a very, what you can say, heart wrenching business. Let's put ourselves completely at full 300 pixel. Yeah, that's good. Already above $400. Now we just gotta wait and see. Let's get this out of the way. Now is a test of our patience. This right here is our target, the high of the Friday. I think my RR is around what, 1 ratio. I wanted to buy at 804, but that volatility came in at 804. Then I would have 400 ticks here, making my R around 1 ratio 1.3. But still, it's good. Let's see. Let's see how did the 15 minutes candle close. The 15 minutes candle close very bullish. Probability of it going to my TP is very high. Let's just wait for it. Can't really say anything trading. If it gets our TP before 10:30, then it would be great. Just don't start consolidating. Let's wait for it. Looking good. Let's see how does the candle close. If it makes a bullish FEG here, that would be great. Seems like I won't get my wish, but let's see. Seems to be going in our direction. We're gonna trail our SL now. Till here. Let's see how does it go. It's about to hit our TP. Said it would, if it hits our TP before 10:30, that would be great. Just 4 ticks left, 40 ticks in. This is the most, what you can say, heart-wrenching thing of trading when it's just near you, creepy, and everything is telling you to just pull it out, but you have to wait for it. You have to take your full profit. We're gonna wait for it. Just almost here. As you can see, this was the target. This is the 15-minute chart. Let's see if it can hit it quickly. Just came back down from almost 30 to 40 ticks. We're gonna wait for it. If it comes back down again, I might put my select entry because I'm not really liking this. Or you just leave it at 30 ticks. Let's see on the 5-minute chart. And that kind of was good. Just trust the setup, which is very hard to do, to be honest. But you have to like back test, and you're gonna live test, and then you're gonna develop trust. And normal setup swipe and does not, it's okay. I'm not over risking, I'm not over leveraging, then it's okay. It did close the bullish effigy here. Let's wait and see now. To be honest, I would like it taking that TP before 10:30. Almost up there again. Okay, the price has taken hit our TP. As you can see, I did it live here plus $1,000 for the day. You can see here, these are my past trades. You can find these trades on my YouTube channel. I recorded them, put them here, and now I have done it live. I'll be live streaming every trading day. So if you learn something, you wanna tag along, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.